What the devil is happening with Red Stripe Premier League champions Montego Bay United and the PLCA? Starting with Mobe withdrawing from the PLCA. Said they don't want nothing from the PLCA. Yet, no team should actually play in the RSPL without being a member of the PLCA. So technically, Mobe United was not supposed to be playing in the Premier League. So all them games played, including the first leg quarter-final against Arnett Gardens, should or could have been null and void. But according to the PFAJ, which is the overarching body for the PLCA, the withdrawal of Montego Bay United from the PLCA was not properly done and was thus not legal. But it don't really matter because Montego Bay United changed their mind. They now want to remain in the PLCA from which they were never legally withdrawn in the first place. And right now, the latest thing is Montego Bay United say, we want we money. But seriously, you all remember the drama that Mobe bring up last year towards the end of the season. And it worked for them because them end up winning the league. And you notice, as the top 6 playoffs start this year, them start the rumblings again. This time though, them have a case. Montego Bay United have been worthy defending champions. The man them forget their money. Them honor them fixtures. They played all the games. They qualified for the last 6. So give the man them their money. Give Montego Bay United their money. If the PLCA don't give Mobe United their money. Watch out.